students, welcome to my easy learning class. Today we will go through 10th class chapter unit 1 lesson 1.4 be smart chit chat activity. Very funny activity is given there. We will learn how to solve that activity of acrostic. So acrostic, it is a writing style, and whenever you want to write something different in invitation card or greeting cards, it is useful. So have a fun time and learn this activity. So let us start acrostic, a writing style. So first of all, we will see what is acrostic. So when we understand the word acrostic, then it is easy to learn. So let us see what is acrostic. Acrostic, it is a poem, or it is a word puzzle or other composition in which certain letters in each line form a word or words. So in each line there is a word, there is a letter, and from that letter we will have to write a word describing that word. In Marathi, how can we describe the acrostic? ज्या लिखाणातील ठराविक अक्षरांच्या जुळणीतून अर्थपूर्ण शब्द, म्हण इत्यादी तयार होतात असे लिखाण. एक काव्यात्मक लिखाणाचा हा प्रकार आहे ज्याचा ओळीच्या आद्याक्षरांपासून किंवा शेवटच्या अक्षरापासून एक अर्थपूर्ण शब्द तयार होतो आणि बहुधा तो शब्द त्या कवितेचा किंवा अशा लेखनाचा मूळ विषय असतो. म्हणजे त्या शब्दांमधून तो जो विषय आहे, तो जो शब्द तुम्ही निवडलेला आहे तो डिस्क्राईब झाला पाहिजे किंवा त्याचा अर्थ स्पष्ट झाला पाहिजे, अशा प्रकारची ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे. अँड दॅट इज द रायटिंग स्टाईल. इट इज पोएटिक डिवाइस ऑल्सो, and you can use in greeting cards, invitation cards, or elsewhere in your notebook also you can write your names in the form of acrostic. So let us see how it is. For example, we will learn how to write acrostic of friend. I have given this example written here, the acrostic of friend. So FRIEND. This is the spelling of friend, and from each letter we will have to write one word. So how I have written here: F funny, R real, I interesting, E enjoyable, N nice, and D delightful. So all these are characteristics of a friend. Every word describe the word friend. So this is the special about acrostic. So you will have to write the word starting from that letter of given word which describe the whole word. So this is called acrostic. Now how do you make acrostic? So there are certain steps how to write acrostics. Let us see that. To create an acrostic, there are 5 steps given. So follow these steps and write your any acrostic. So what are the steps? First, decide what to write about. As we have decided friend. So decide first of all what you will have to write about. For example, friend, we have done in the previous clip. Then write your word down vertically. Think of some words or phrases that describe your idea. Now place these words or phrases on the lines that begins with the same letters and fill in the rest of the lines to create a poem. So what are the steps? Let me explain you in Marathi. Decide what to write about. तुम्हाला जो शब्द acrosticचा बनवायचा असेल तो पहिले ठरवा. जसं फ्रेंड आहे किंवा मदर आहे, टीचर आहे, त्याचं स्पेलिंग लिहा. देन राईट युअर वर्ड डाऊन व्हर्टिकली. वरपासून खालपर्यंत त्याचं स्पेलिंग एक एक अक्षर लिहा आणि त्या प्रत्येक अक्षरापासून तयार होणारी एखादी फ्रेज किंवा एखादा शब्द तुम्ही तुमच्या मनामध्ये तयार करा. कल्पना करा की त्या अक्षरापासून तयार होणारे शब्द कोणते. देन नाउ प्लेस दीज वर्ड्स ऑर फ्रेजेस ऑन द लाईन्स दॅट बिगिन विथ द सेम लेटर्स. त्याच लेटरपासून तयार होणारे ते शब्द त्या लेटरच्या समोर लिहा आणि झालं तुमचं ॲक्रॉस्टिक तयार. सो इट इज सो सिम्पल. So you will have to follow these 5 steps. You can write your acrostic. Now as per our steps, we will do some example. So first example is father. Let us create an acrostic for father. So first step is done because the word is given. You will not have to think about the word. If it is not given, then first step is to think about the word which you will have to create the acrostic for. So here father is given. The second step, write your word down vertically. So write like this, Father, vertically down. Then step 3, think of some words or phrases that describe your idea. So idea, what is about father? About father. So qualities of father, or the work of father, or what you may think about your father, you will have to find out the words. And for that, thesaurus is also useful to you. In that many words are given, the synonyms are given, and you can pick out the words from that. So thesaurus is the dictionary of synonyms. You can use that for this acrostic also. Then place your words, brainstorm idea about the words and phrases on the lines that begin with the same letters. So acrostic for father. So I have decided these words for these letters. So what are they? F, fantastic in every way, the quality of father. Every letter describes the quality of father. Fantastic in every way, always there for me. So he is helpful in any way, in every way, because he is father. And that's why I have written A, always there for me. Then teaching me everything. We can learn everything from our father. That's why T, teaching me everything. Then hero of our family. The whole family burden is on the head of father, and that's why hero of our family is called the father. Then expecting great things from me. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. Expecting great things from me. Then really the greatest dad ever. So these are the qualities of father. I have written here from every letter the qualities are describing for father, and this is called acrostic. Now in your chit chat activity, a question is given, and in that question various types of acrostic you will have to try out. So I have given here those acrostic as per my ideas. So follow those steps and you can also write another acrostic for these words also. So let us see what is there in your chit chat activity. First is favorite family member. So any member you can, so we will done the father, and that's why I have given here sister. You can write acrostic for mother, for brother, for uncle, for aunt, and so on. So here I have given one example of sister. So the characteristic of sisters are written from every letter of sister. S special, I inspiring, S smart, T talented, E elegant, and R reliable. So all these characteristics are there in sister word, and that's why this is the acrostic for sister. Next is name of your best friend. Any name of your friend you can take this and write the acrostic, follow those 5 steps and write. So here the example is Lena. L lovable, I inventive, neat and tidy, N, and A active. So all these characteristics are there in Lena, and that's why the acrostic of Lena is like this. Then acrostic for feeling. So any feeling, happiness, sadness, joy, or anything. So here the example is given joy. So what is the acrostic here? Just enjoy and get it. So when we will get the joy, when we enjoy something, we will get joy, and that's why J, just enjoy and get it. O, offers freshness. So what will joy offers? It offers freshness. We will become fresh when we are in joy. Then why you can experience happiness uh, when we get it, we experience the happiness, and that's why Joy, joy. This is the acrostic of this feeling, joy. Then acrostic for any profession. So here the whole world is experiencing this COVID-19, and that's why I have given here nurse, the special uh, person who is caring all of us, and that's why I have given the example of nurse. So the work of nurse, nurturing patients, understanding, respectful, smooth hearted, and encouraging to recover soon. All these characteristics are there in nurse, and that is the profession. And that's why I have given this example. You can write doctor, teacher, engineer, all these are the professions you can write. So follow those 5 steps and write any acrostic. It is a very enjoyable activity given in your chit chat activity. So students, write any across any word, take any word and write the acrostic for that. It is a funny game also. So this is all about this activity. Now we will meet in another video. Till then, practice writing activity, this acrostic activity, and stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.